The war in Ukraine clouded investors' outlook on Friday. Stocks fell despite a strong U.S. jobs report. The economy added 678,000 jobs in February, the most since July. That dropped the nation's unemployment rate to 3.8%, down from 4% in January, the lowest since the pandemic began 2 years ago. But overshadowing that, high consumer prices. Michael George is here with the latest. Michael, good morning.
Michelle, good morning. The economy really is a mixed bag. On the one hand, we've regained more than 90% of the jobs lost during the pandemic. But as we all know, prices Americans are paying for the basics, food, gas, housing, are all high, and they could go even higher. Among the most obvious signs, rising gas prices. The national average is near $3.84 a gallon, up 11 cents from the day before and 26 cents from last week.
It's not only impacting you in terms of your gas prices and filling up your car. Gas is an input to everything else that we consume, right? All these goods that are moving from distribution centers to retail stores are being shipped by trucks that consume gas.
For consumers, the sting of high prices is in part because more Americans are on the road for leisure and work as the pandemic eases. That alone squeezes supplies.
This is going to be a period of higher inflation in our economy, but the economy is doing well.
Job growth is a leading indicator of the economy's strength, as the president noted Friday.
Over the course of my presidency, our economy has now created 7.4 million jobs. More jobs created in a 13-month period than any time ever before in our history.
Want a job? There's plenty, particularly in Elkhart, Indiana. It's in the area with the country's lowest unemployment rate of under 1%. Nationally, there are nearly 2 openings for every applicant, and that demand is driving wages up. Average U.S. earnings are now more than $31 an hour. The stock market has taken a grim view of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and that may just add to the perception of a faltering U.S. economy.
And so there is this perception, and I think it really is a part of a narrative of the economy is not doing well because gas prices are at $6 or because you're facing shortages at supermarket shelves. But at the same time, we're at full employment. Right? We're facing shortages in supermarket shelves not because there's not enough stuff, it's because people are demanding a lot of goods and services.
And next week, the Fed is expected to raise interest rates to try and rein in inflation, but there is so much uncertainty now with Ukraine. The Fed chairman warns that inflation could be pushed even higher.
Not good news for those of us out there. Michael, thank you.